Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, Letter Math. In this chapter, we will discuss about writing some relations using letters and symbols. Let us start our class. In this chapter, Letter Math, we use letters and symbols to represent values and their relations. It is used to solve some problems which involve unknown numbers. The letters or alphabets we use here may be called as variables. Generally, small letters are used as variables. First of all, we shall study the relations with addition and subtraction. We shall do this with a simple question from the textbook. Question number 1. Mary is now 4 years old and her brother Johnny is 8. What would be Mary's age after 2 years? Now she is 4 years old. After 2 years, her age will be 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6 years. And Johnny's age? Now he is 8 years old. After 2 years, his age will be 8 plus 2, that is equal to 10 years. Next question. What were their ages 3 years ago? That means we have to find out what were their ages 3 years before. Before 3 years, the age of Mary is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1 year. And Johnny's age? Now he is 8 years old. Before 3 years, his age is equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5 years. Now, we shall complete this table. It is given in the question that Mary is now 4 years old and her brother Johnny is 8 years old. The difference between their ages is 8 minus 4, that is 4 years. Then how will you find Johnny's age when Mary's age is given? Johnny is elder than Mary by 4 years. Then Johnny's age is equal to Mary's age plus 4. Mary is younger than Johnny by 4 years. Then Mary's age is equal to Johnny's age minus 4. Now we shall complete this table. When Mary was 1 year old, Johnny's age is equal to 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5 years. When Johnny's age was 6 years, Mary's age is equal to 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2 years. When Johnny was 7 years old, Mary's age is equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3 years. When Mary's age will be 5 years, then Johnny's age is equal to 5 plus 4, that is equal to 9 years. We had completed this table. Now, we have to write the relations using letters. For that, we have to assume some letters or alphabets to be the age of Mary and Johnny. Let the age of Johnny be J and the age of Mary be M. Now, we shall write the relations. First, difference between their ages is 4. That means Johnny's age minus Mary's age equals 4. The Johnny's age be J and Mary's age be 4. Then J minus M is equal to 4. This is the first relation. Next, Johnny is 4 years older than Mary. That means Johnny's age is equal to Mary's age plus 4. We shall write the relation as J is equal to M plus 4. Next, third relation. Mary is 4 years younger than Johnny. Then Mary's age is equal to Johnny's age minus 4. Then we shall write the relation as M is equal to J minus 4. Is it clear for you? Next, question number 2. See this figure. What is the relation connecting the angles on the left and right? Here, the measures are not given. We have to write the relation using letters or alphabets. By assuming the letters or alphabets to be the measure of the angle on the left and the measure of the angle on the right. Let the measure of the angle on the left be L and the measure of the angle on the right be R. You had studied in the chapter joining angles that in a linear pair, the sum of the angles on the left and right is equal to 180 degree. The measure of the angle on the right is equal to 180 degree minus measure of the angle on the left. The measure of angle on the left is equal to 180 degree minus measure of the angle on the right. Then we shall write the relation as L plus R is equal to 180. Then R is equal to 180 minus L. L is equal to 180 minus R. Is it clear for you? I hope all of you had understood what had taught today. We shall continue our class on the next day. Okay? Thank you.